All right, hi everybody. Dr. Kevin Chang here with Austin Plastic Surgeon. Good to be here with you to share some really exciting news about tirzepatide and the recent FDA approval that literally just came out yesterday. As you can see here, Zepbound is the name that has been given by Eli Lilly for this product. Just to kind of review a couple things here, tirzepatide has been out on the market for a little while now under the other brand name called Mounjaro, and that was previously approved for diabetes management, but we have seen through data and results, etc., that there has been tremendous impact on weight loss as well. And so the exciting news here again is that the same medication, tirzepatide, now under a different brand name, Zepbound, was officially FDA approved just as of yesterday for the management of chronic weight loss. The other reminder here again is in the clinical trials, when they studied this medication, patients were getting about 15 to 21% body weight reduction at 72 weeks. That was based on the trials that were released a couple years ago. This truly represents a major shift in healthcare in America. I mean, we are so excited to have these treatment options. For those of you who have struggled with sort of chronic weight management or obesity or being overweight, etc., and for those of us in the healthcare arena, this has truly represented an amazing sort of shift. It's amazing to have these options now on the market, to have something that is so safe, so effective, and available for us to provide for our patients. I've got a picture here just as one of our patients as an example who went through a weight loss program, and as you can see, her results were pretty much remarkable. And so the picture is self-explanatory, and we look forward to talking more. Wanted to take a moment to just go over this couple of pieces of information here on the slide. This is a nice sort of comparison grid comparing the prior options on the market that we typically talk about for management of weight loss. So as you can see here, Mounjaro brand name, which is the medication tirzepatide. We've got Wegovy and Ozempic over here on this side, which are the branded versions of semaglutide. Pretty soon we'll be updating this slide with yet another column with the recently approved Zepbound, which is another branded version of tirzepatide. This is a sort of a nice high-level overview of these various medications, the sort of pharmaceutical manufacturers that are responsible for them, when they were approved, etc. Maybe a couple things just to point out here is that these medications are similar in many ways, and you know, when we talk about this to our patients, that's basically what we go through. But in essence, over here on this side with the semaglutide, you've got sort of the GLP-1 receptor agonist property for semaglutide, and then over here on this side with tirzepatide, also a GLP-1 receptor agonist property, but in addition to that, a GIP receptor that tirzepatide impacts. So kind of putting that all together, and just to summarize it, we've got different options for the treatment of sort of chronic weight management, and tirzepatide being maybe a little bit more potent in comparison to semaglutide, but both excellent options for the management of chronic weight management.